हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने चैनल में आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश में। आज मैंने टॉपिक लिया है टेक्नोलॉजी, जिसके ऊपर मैं इंग्लिश में जितनी भी देर हो सकेगा इंग्लिश में ही बात करूँगा। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज का ये टॉपिक। इंग्लिश में कोशिश करते हैं जितना हो सकेगा। लेट्स स्टार्ट। टेक्नोलॉजी इज़ द very powerful thing. It gives very easy way in our lives, like chat gpt, like phones, like machines. We earlier we when we want to meet someone, we go their houses and we post some letters to them to talk to them. And after the technology has came, the phone has came, mobile phone has came, we just we have to do just dial the number of him or her whom we are want to talk, and just we can talk to them 1 hour or 2 hours. And like aeroplane, earlier we don't even think about going, we are in India, we don't even think about that we will go by air in America or in China, wherever. But when airplane came in our lives, we go America and abroad by the sky route. So that's the technology. And like machines, like washing machine. Earlier, the ladies in houses, they wash the clothes by hands, and they it took very much time to very much time to close the wash the clothes. And earlier there was not a gas stove and cylinder, there was a handmade chula, and the ladies used to cook in that chula. So it also took very time. First of all, they have to burn it and flame it. It took very much time. Now we have gas cylinders and stove in our houses, but only we need to give the lighter and the gas will burn, and then we can cook. So that's the technology also. And like newspaper, news for news, we are only on depends on newspapers. Now we have television, we can see news in that. And in every second we know how what about what is going on in the world. After TV, we have got internet, we have got many things like this, that we can know at the point that what is happening in the world, of about what is happening in stock market, what is happening in if stock market, what is happening in the in other states or other countries. And the technology is now is had gone has gone so far that if the it if it is chance to rain, then we get to know before 2 or 3 days that after 2 days it will rain 80% or 90% or 100%. So that's the technology also. That's a great technology for a human, and the technology has come, I think, not only 100 years or 125 years ago. Before before 19th century, there was no technology at all. So that's a technology, and it has bad thing also. Technology has bad thing also, in family, every person has their own personal phones that don't talk to each other, because everybody is saying in his phone or in her phone, and they don't talk to each other. And first of all, the people used to meet outside the houses after the dinner. They walked and they asked from each other that what happened to you, what happened today, and they talks about the ladies talk about the home, and talk about that on politics and office work, on sports talks. But these days nobody talks to each other. So that's the minus point of technology, I think so. So technology has both good effects and bad effects both. It has both good and bad effects. So what do you think? Please, you also share your comment, your opinion, that what do you think about technology. So I think it's okay for today. So give your suggestions or opinions in comment box if you like, and please subscribe if you like. Thank you.